In this video, I will show you how to order and buy from Temu, easy and quick. Go open Temu like this first, and you see here the home page. Here where you can find all the product that you are looking for. You can search for it or search here for recommendation. For me, for example, I want to buy this t-shirt. I would just click on it, and what I have to do, I will choose my size, for example XL, and the quantity just 2. It's free shipping. And what I have to do, I will click add now, almost out. So right now it's going to add to my cart or to my wish list. So I will click add to cart like this, and after that I will click on checkout. So here I will add my first name, my last name, my address, and my phone number, and I will click save. And then I will add my shipping address. After that, my payment method, and that's all. You will order easy and quick from Temu. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.